Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna show you guys how to tie a chicken rig, or what's called also as a paternoster rig. Um, you get your line right here. What you want to do first is go ahead and make the surgeon's knot for the weight. So what you want to do is grab the line, double it over on top of itself, give yourself enough slack. Hold the tag end and the line going to the reel. What you want to do is grab this loop, tie it over itself, just like that. Gonna bring it right back in to itself. Right there. What you want to do is pass it once more through that hole, through that loop that you made. Just like that. And right here, just grab and pull. Then let go of the tag end. Put your finger right here on the loop and just cinch it down. So then what you want to do after that is just cut the tag end off. I don't have anything to cut with me at the moment, so I'm just going to leave that on there. So then basically what you get is whatever sinker you're going to use. Grab another one here. What you want to do is run that loop through the sinker, just like that. Go ahead and that loop, run the sinker right through it. Holds it on tight. And what's good about this is you can always run it back, take the weight off, and attach anything lighter or anything heavier depending on the current. So now that we have our weight on, what you want to do is make the actual dropper loop. So give yourself about, I don't know, about a foot. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Hopefully this will be steadier. Give yourself about foot and a half or so from where the weight is. What you want is you want to double the line over on itself. Very simple. Just bringing the line together, it's going to form a loop. Guys, see that? All right. Then what you want to do is take this loop right here. You want to twist it over itself 3 to 4 times. You go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you're done with that, you're going to see this opening you have right here. Put your fingers right through, grab the bottom part of the line, hold it with your teeth, and pull both ends. And you just made yourself a dropper loop. What you want to do is go down the line again, about another 2 feet or so. Do the same thing. Grab both lines, push them towards each other. It's going to create a loop. Again, grab the 2 top lines and twist them on top of each other. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull that bottom line through that loop that was just made. Again, hold it down with your teeth and pull. Now the easy part is putting the hooks on. What you want to do is get your hook, run that loop right through the eye of the hook. Sorry, I just had to cinch my line down a little bit more. Run it through the eye of the hook, and then run the hook through the actual loop and pull. Simple, right? Go ahead. We're going to do the same thing with the other loop. Let's grab a hook, run it through the eye, and put the hook through that loop and pull. And here we have chicken rig or paternoster rig. And again, same thing with the weight. If you need to change these hooks, something bigger, something smaller, it's very simple. All you do is just push the line back, run the hook through the loop, and it's out. Hope I helped you guys out a little bit, and if you have any questions, just let me know.